Hi, I am Simon Karim, and today I want to take you inside one of West Palm Beach's most exciting new communities, Brandon Estates, right here on Congress Avenue. Brandon Estates is a brand new luxury apartment development built in 2024. It offers one, two, and three bedroom floor plans ranging from around 680 square feet up to 2,300 square feet. Whether you're looking for something cozy or more space for family, you'll find it here. Current rents range from about $2,095 to $3,795 per month, right in line with West Palm Beach luxury living. The community is designed for comfort and lifestyle. You'll enjoy a resort style pool with pavilion, a state of the art fitness center, and a clubhouse with lounge and game room. Every apartment includes high end appliances, stylish layouts, in unit washer and dryer, plus secure gated entry and elevators for convenience. Location is everything, and Brandon Estates delivers. For dining, you've got Family Restaurant for casual comfort food, Zaxby's for quick bites, and La Marina Waterfront on Flagler Drive for fresh seafood with incredible views. For the outdoors, you're close to Chillingworth Park, Okeechobee Nature Center, and the beautiful Mounts Botanical Garden. Shopping is also a breeze with Tanger Outlets Palm Beach featuring over 100 brand name stores, plus Palm Beach Marketplace and Oki Square for everyday needs. Families will love the nearby schools, Westgate Elementary, Jaga Middle, and Palm Beach Lakes High School. So if you're looking for a brand new, centrally located luxury community in West Palm Beach, Brandon Estates is a must-see. Call or text me, Simon Kareem, at 561-704-0091 or visit simoncancel.com to schedule your private tour today.